Thanks. Hey guys, are you okay? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie, your nurse, slash aspiring baker, slash traveler, slash friend. And for today guys, I'll be teaching you how to make the most delicious lava cake or molten chocolate cake as what others call it. So it's actually pretty simple and easy and quick, trust me. So grab your ingredients now because we'll be using dark chocolate, unsalted butter, white granulated sugar, flour, eggs, and soap. Okay, so first of course, preheat your oven at 230 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now that we're preheating our oven, we can now prepare our molds. So for our lava cake, we will be using this kind of molds. So generously grease your molds with butter. And then dust it with cocoa powder or flour. The inside of your mold should be covered with cocoa powder, and then after that, remove the excess. Okay, so once you finish preparing your molds, you can now set this aside and then chop your chocolate into smaller pieces. Okay, so now transfer your chocolate in a bowl and then you will melt it using a double boiler. Using a pan with boiling water, put your bowl over the boiling water and then add the unsalted butter. You will let your butter and chocolate melt until it's smooth and fully combined. Okay, so you may stir it once in a while, and then while we are melting our butter and chocolate, we will now proceed with the other ingredients. Okay, so you will gently whisk 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. And on a separate bowl, you will sift the flour, the sugar, and the salt. Okay, so using a sieve, sift the flour, the sugar, and the salt. And then mix together your flour mixture and your eggs. You will continue mixing until it's light yellow. Okay, don't forget to stir your chocolate and butter. Almost done. Once the butter and chocolate mixture is smooth enough and it's completely combined, you can now transfer it to your egg mixture. So using your rubber spatula, you will fold your chocolate and butter mixture. Mix it thoroughly and then make sure that there are no lumps left on your butter. And then now, we will transfer our butter into our molds. Okay, so once your butter is equally distributed to your molds, you can now bake your lava cake. And this one's completely optional. I just want to add a small piece of Cadbury chocolate at the middle. We will bake our lava cake in our preheated oven for 10 minutes or until the sides become firm and solid and the center is still soft and still jiggles. Okay, so now that we're done baking our lava cake, we will let it cool for a minute and then remove it from the mold. You will notice that the sides are formed and solid and the center looks soft and still jiggles. And of course, my friends, it's tasting time. Nice. You can put a jam on top or this vanilla ice cream, or you can try it plain, like just the lava cake. Nice. It's really chocolatey, and the good thing about this lava cake is just it's really easy to make, very quick, very simple. It's really tasty. And of course, what I like the most about my cakes is that it's not too sweet. That's why I always use dark chocolate. You can try it. Okay guys, so this has been my recipe of the most delicious lava cake. Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please, if you have suggestions or reactions or any recommendations, please comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. God bless us all.